Okay.
Okay. Okay,
It's
so
your bestie, Miss Westie.
Miss Westy, don't
Don't
try to
try to
test
test
me.
me. It's gonna get messy. Thought you gonna lead the
Yeah,
way.
bestie.
Thought you gonna lead the way, huh?
Huh? Wait,
Bestie.
I'm still watching the video. Wait. I'm still watching the video. Wait.
It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Don't try to test me. I'ma cheers our candle. Yo, cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Okay,
Cheers.
I know where the bread is. I mean I know where the meat is.
Where? The hell did you go?
It's this way. It's this way. You see the way I'm facing?
Yes.
Yes, come on. Let's go. Come on, what the fuck are you waiting for?
You're not moving.
Come
Whoa.
on. Oh shit, that's right there. Fuck.
Jump scare. Crazy. It's crazy.
Okay, so it always comes out that way. Look what I'm facing.
Yeah, true. It comes out that way all the time. It's your
It
bestie.
always
Let's go now.
comes out that way.
Let's go now. Wait, I'ma cheers our candle. Let's cheers our candle. Cheers! 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 I'm cheersing right now. Cheers! Cheers! I cheers! I cheers! 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 Eat my candle.
Cheers.
Eat my candle. Eat my candle.
Eat my dick.
Eat.
Eat my
Eat. You eat it. You eat. You eat it.
You eat.
Oh, it looks like you're
No, you eat
sucking it. It looks like you're sucking it.
No, look like you're sucking it.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Don't shut up. I can't breathe anymore. Girlie, why are you banging up?
I was trying to push you off this.
Wow, rude. It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Don't try not to. Girlie, you scared me. You backed up, so you scared me. It's your bestie, Miss Westie. Don't try to test me. It's gonna get. Let's go now. I thought you were leading the way. Let's go. I'ma push you. Pushing. Definitely pushing. Definitely pushing.
I have led the way for a long time. You go.
Girlie, you pinky promise and said you'll lead all the way, huh? I wonder what happened to that. Yeah. Girlie, I'm right behind you. I'm not gonna leave you. Girlie, you have to check. Let's go. Girlie's walking too slow.
So scared.
You put this on you. You put this on you. Oh, you're scaredy ass.
Oh my god, thank you. I love you.
You're
You're the
scared ass.
best.
You're scaredy ass. Okay, where's the meat?
Okay, go.
I'd say hide under here for a sec. So there's some hiding spots that we can hide under, so we can hide here. But if we're there, we can hide under the chairs, I think. Okay, wait, I'm gonna look out. Okay, so where's the meat? Is it here or which room?
Okay, go. This room, this way.
Okay, the monster's under, the monster. Stay here. Can't get us.
Fat ass.
Can't get us.
You can't get us, man. Stop trying.
Too big. Okay, so it still hasn't left. Don't go. I just wanted to taunt it. I just wanted to bully it. I wanted to taunt it. Yo, oh my god. Yo, it's your bestie, Miss Westie. It's gonna get.
Things on the ground.
Wait for it to disappear. Yeah, it's gone. So where's the meat?
No, still there.
Wait, I don't see it.
Do you see the way I'm facing?
Yeah.
That way.
I don't see. I really can't see it. I must be blind.
No, like we gotta walk that way.
Which way?
This way.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Go under the chairs. If you can't, no, you can't. So where can we hide? Oh, we can hide under here. Okay, go to the corner then. Alright, so where else is the meat? Is it in this room?
Okay, wait, hold on.
I'm the brave woman here.
Yeah.
Side eye. Bombastic side eye. Eat my candle.
Okay, wait. Okay. No.
You're currently so
Sure.
Don't ask what I'm doing. Don't ask what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let's continue. What? What are we doing?
Okay, wait. Next. Next step. Okay.
Girly went some.
Okay. Okay, let's go. It's this way. It's
What?
that way.
Where?
This way.
That one? That door there?
No, this way. The way I'm facing.
Okay. I led.
You heard what?
I led it twice. You gotta go. Don't close the lights. Okay, you led it. I led it twice. Go ahead. I led it so much times for you.
I led half of the game to get us here, Shazia.
Girly, yesterday, you know what I did for you? A lot of stuff. So do this once. I don't know where it is. You're the one who knows where it is. I don't understand where you're pointing at, and I don't understand.
Just go straight. You can just go straight that way. Straight up.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Go on. Go on.
That way?
Okay, come on. Don't be scared.
That way?
Yeah, that way. No,
Okay.
no. Are you
What?
playing with me?
You actually, I don't know where.
Which
That way? Oh my god, a monster.
Yeah, that way.
Monster.
The monster's here.
Okay, it left, I think. Wait, no. Give out a full. Wait, I want to taunt it. Yo, oh my god. Loser, lame wanna be like, oh, totally. Stop. Don't talk to me, loser, lame wanna. No, it's still there. Look, it's still there. It's still on the side. I think it's still on the side. Wait, it's still on the side. Are you there?
Still there. I want to bully it too.
Nah, bro, can't get under here. Short ass hell. No, ain't no way you just said that. No, he kinda.
What?
I'm just joking. Yo, I'm joking. Nah, bro's also blind.
Is this shitting on us?
For real? Is this shit? Come back.
This way. Yeah, that way.
I want to taunt it so badly again, yo. Well, I'm not sure if it's left. Okay, you want to go now or what? I I'm not sure if it left already.
Yeah, come on.
Wait, can I go under here? Oh, interact. We can interact with this. Oh, we can hide here. Oh, I can hide.
Are you still hiding in there? Are
So
you still
like,
hiding in there?
I got pushed out. So like, I died because I
How do I
got
get
pushed
outta here?
out. Interact with it. Girly, your fat ass pushed me out, and then I got out of the game, and then it made me die.
Down, God.
I'm not kidding. I'm literally back at the stairs now.
Do you think you can come back?
Wait. Actually, yeah, I'll risk it for you.
Thanks. Thanks. I appreciate it. 2024 is in 4 hours.
Yeah, 2024 is in 4 hours. Okay, I'm back. Oh shit.
You are?
Yes.
Where you at? Hey.
Hey!
Okay, let's go.
Hold up. Hey, where's the meat? I don't trust to be on that side. I don't trust to be on that side. I don't like that side. I'm gonna hide here if the thing is there. So where
Okay,
is
we gotta
it?
go back.
Girly doesn't know where the meat is.
No, I do. Actually, I do. I just... Where the fuck did it... Go back to our hiding spot.
Yes. I'm gonna look if it comes back because I want to taunt it so badly. I want to bully it.
We gotta go back.
Where?
That way.
Girly, you're making us go back and forth. Which way are we going?
That way. In front. The way you're facing. No, not that way. The other way.
Okay, let's go. Yo, I'm gonna have to take a bath
That's a lot of
soon.
coffee.
I'm gonna have to take a bath soon. At 9 o'clock,
Right
just
now?
wait. No, at 9 o'clock, don't worry.
Okay.
But then we can resume the game, okay? After that. After I take a bath.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Okay, you want me to lead it or you? Oh my god!
You lead it.
So, like, I did not get jump scared. I definitely saw it. It's your bestie, Mr. Westie. Don't try to test me. He's gonna get. He just shitted on us. Yo, he shit 3 times. Yo, no, 4 times. No, 5 times. 5 times. Actually, what? I'm right here, ladies. That bro lived because he got bullied. Let's go. Wait, let me see if he's still in there. Pookie! Hello? Nah, bro doesn't see me. Oh, he does. Oh, shit. Oh, yo, he's going.
Can you?
9 o'clock.
Can this guy get the fuck away from me?
I know, he's so annoying. Oh my god. Yo, why you keep taunting it? I really want to play. He looks like an egg. No, wait, give it away. I have my own green. Yo, it looks like an egg, not gonna lie. It looks like an egg. You died! You died! Imagine dying. Imagine that you died so goofy.
I'm
No, I don't
starving.
have it now. Oh
You die.
no! Hurry up, girly! Hurry up! Come back, yo! Unless I'm leaving without you.
Oh shit, it's right here. Quick.
Done ass, done bass, done cast, done ass, doulas. Hide under the table, done das. I feel like going ahead.
I literally ran away from it.
Best way, running away from your problems. Yo, what's up? I told you what's up. You just did the slide thing. You just did the slide thing. With your two knees and you slide. Yeah, you did that. Yeah. I don't know what.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
let's go now.
yeah.
Let's go now. Can you hide under the table?
No, you can't hide there.
But you can hide here. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. My baby. Why can't I grab it?
I'll keep on lookout.
Alright, you grab it. I mean, Shazia, you grab it.
Get up.
Oh, never mind. I grabbed it.
I think you need a bowl.
So I need to get. Yeah, you need a bowl and then you gotta pick it up. Okay, anyway, I got it.
I can't get the meat. Oh, I gotta get the bowl first. No, it's not saying.
I already took the meat. I already took the meat that was there.
So do I go to the other meat?
We're looking for other meats. Come.
Ricky,
here.
when I catch
Right here.
you,
Shazia, right here.
I can't grab it.
Look up.
Oh, I can't grab it anymore. You grabbed it. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay. I don't know what the...
Grab that, grab that.
How many meats do we have? Okay, let's go give him this. Come on.
The meat's not completed though. It says we haven't got
Yeah,
any
let's
meat.
just see though. I just want to see because, you know.
I'm hiding under here. But it says the task is not completed. I don't have any meat on me. Oh, never mind.
Oh, so you picked it. Okay, let's just go give him this one.
Run.
Why?
You did the slide thing again. I'm not sure if it's there.
You too. You also did it too.
See?
Which way
You
was
check
it?
this way, dumbass. Girly, I don't know where you're going.
Which way was I supposed to go?
Eliana Kibre, where'd you go? Alright.
Which way were we supposed to go?
Here, we're gonna go back to the guy. Oh, frick!
Oh, shit.
Oh my god! Yes. Wait, does that mean I lose the meat? Yes, I do.
I don't know.
You lose the meat.
I'm back. Wait, did you lose it?
Yes! Do you still have your meat?
I still have my meat.
Should I run for it? Is he still there?
Yeah, he's still around here. But he left, never mind. He's not gonna be there where with the way you're gonna come. Actually, wait.
Oh my god, thank you! Yeah?
gonna fling you like that.
That scared me. Okay, I'm gonna take a bath now.
Okay.
That scared me though. Yo, it nearly ate me. And then it jump scared me.
Yeah.